one of the best times once you decide that solar is for you to install it would be at the time when you are redoing your roof. And the reason being is you want to maximize the time that solar would have to be taken out if you have to redo your roof. So if you install your roof today and your roof is going to last 15 to 20 years, then that solar system will not have to be moved within 15 to 20 years. If you install solar and you only have 3 years left on your roof, then you'll have to change it within 3 years. That's number one. Number two, in terms of who should install your solar, if you had the choice between the roofing company that is re-roofing your roof or a solar company that does not do roofs, obviously the roofing company that does solar is the option to go with because they can warranty the whole entire system. They are re-roofing the roof. They're responsible for everything. You're not gonna get fingers pointing, the solar guy did this, no, the roofing guy did that. It just makes total sense to keep it all under one umbrella.